friends, welcome to my channel Plants and Birds. In this video we are going to discuss about the primary plant nutrient, macronutrient, that is nitrogen. Especially the macronutrients are three, especially primary macronutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. In this video we are going to discuss about the nitrogen. Nitrogen is available to the plants in two forms, especially nitrate and ammonium form. Nitrate is a major form which is absorbed by the plants. And when we go to ammonium, it is mainly in waterlogged soils, especially like rice will absorb the nitrogen in the form of ammonia ions. When we goes to the role in plants, it will give vegetative growth in plants, especially. The main role is, I'm mentioning the main role. That is vegetative growth in plants. Vegetative growth means before flowering, what is the growth of the plant will goes on, means that is known as vegetative growth. Okay. Deficiency in plants. How to identify its deficiency in plants means complete yellowing of older leaves. Older leaves will be completely yellow. Complete yellowing of older leaves is a main deficiency symptom of nitrogen. Stunted growth. Okay, its role is vegetative growth. If it's not there in sufficient amount, then the growth is stunted. That is a main deficiency symptom of the nitrogen. When we go to the sources, means what are the sources of nitrogen means natural sources. Atmosphere contains 78.08% of nitrogen gas. Okay, if we maintain a proper microbial population in the soil itself is enough for the nitrogen fixation in the soil by the microbes, and its availability to the plants through different nitrogen fixing bacteria. Okay, it will maximum 78% is not a small amount. So the microbe, if we maintain the microbe population in the soil itself enough for nitrogen demand by the plant. But due to excess use of the fertilizers by farmers nowadays, the microbial count is going down day by day. So the natural source is coming down, and the chemical fertilizers and other sources are taking a rise in the country. Next, how do this nitrogen fixing into the soil means nitrogen fixing prokaryote convert nitrogen to ammonia. Ammonia is then converted to nitrites and nitrates by Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter are the two bacteria that is which fix nitrogen. Okay, like nitrogen into nitrite and nitrate. Okay, next to denitrification bacteria are also present in the soil. They will convert this nitrates and into then again nitrogen gas. Okay, they are not beneficial for us, denitrifying prokaryotes. But for the balance of nitrogen content in the soil, they are naturally beneficial. Okay. Next, when we go to the second source is biofertilizers. The azolla itself is a biofertilizer in the rice field. It can fix with the anabina. When it will combine with anabina and fix the nitrogen in the rice fields. Okay, so azolla can be used as a biofertilizer in rice fields. And next, when we go to Azotobacter is especially for sugarcane. Azotobacter will fix nitrogen in sugarcane crops very well. And Azospirillum, Rhizobium is especially for legume crops. What is legume crops here? They are nitrogen fixing Fabaceae family members. They itself fix the nitrogen. Rhizobium is especially for legume crops only, not for other crops. Okay, they will fix by nodulation process. Okay, this is the main thing to be. When we go to synthetic sources, that is urea, nano-urea, diammonium phosphate, nano DAP. These are the different sources which are nowadays booming up. The first thing is synthetic source is urea. In that 46% amide form of nitrogen will be present. Okay, nitrogen may be nitrate form, ammonium form, or nitrite form. Okay, but in the urea itself 46% of amide form of nitrogen is present. When we go to nano urea is nowadays it will coming booming up. Nano-urea itself contains 4% nitrogen weight by volume. Means 1 liter contain 4 gram of nitrogen. Okay, this is the main thing. But they will tell that 1 nano urea bottle is equals to 1 bag of urea. Then how can it will substitute 4% by 46%? Means for urea's efficiency is only up to 30 to 40%. Means if you add 100 kg of urea to the soil, the plant will absorb only the 100 kg of nitrogen of throw urea to the soil, then only it will absorb only 40 to 30 kg, and remaining 60 kg of nitrogen through urea is loss, undergoes losses. Okay, that is the main reason for bringing up nano urea into the market. If in this nano urea direct application of nitrogen to the plant leaves, there is less amount of loss will be there. Okay, this is the main reason to use nano urea as a substitute for urea. Diammonium phosphate, this is DAP, commonly used fertilizer by the farmers. 18% nitrogen is present in this diammonium phosphate. Diammonium phosphate is a complex fertilizer, means it will contain two compounds. Not only nitrogen, it will contain phosphorus as 46%, P2O5, 46% it will be there in DAP, diammonium phosphate, which is commonly used by the farmers. It also has the efficiency of nearly 40 to 50% efficiency will be there. But the availability of the nutrient to the plants will take more than 45 days or nearly 45 days. If we add today the nutrient DAP, the phosphorus will available to the plants after 45 days to the plant. So the before sowing itself, the DAP is given to the fields. And next, when we come to the nano DAP, not like the DAP, its availability is directly through nano DAP. We can spray to the plants itself. The leaves can absorb this nano DAP. Okay, in that diammonium phosphate nitrogen content is 18%, but in nano DAP 8% nitrogen weight by volume will be there. This is the main thing to replace the uh, solid fertilizers with nano fertilizers. It will efficiency will be increased, and in low cost the most of the environment pollution can be, especially soil and water pollution, can be reduced somewhat. These are the IFCO nano urea liquid and IFCO nano urea fertilizers, nano DAP. And in nano DAP, one of the thing is 16% of phosphorus will be present. Okay, 46% is replaced by only 16% because of its efficiency in absorbing. This is today's class. Thank you. In next class, we are going to discuss about the next main two nutrients, primary nutrients, phosphorus and potassium, in next upcoming videos. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and share my videos for more views and for spreading the knowledge to all the farming communities. Thank you.